First, we need to pinch one end of the yarn. Put the yarn above the little finger. Then wrap it up from the bottom. Then wrap it around the bottom of the index finger. Then wrap it from the index finger to the middle finger. Pinch the yarn with the thumb and middle finger. If we want to start with a magic ring, the yarn needs to be wrapped around the middle finger again. Press the thumb on this intersection. This is the yarn starting method for magic ring. When holding the crochet hook, according to personal habits, we can hold our crochet hook directly, or hold it in the posture of holding a pen. What is a single crochet? It means to crochet once in each stitch. Next, demonstrate. First, the hook passes under the V shape. Yarn over the hook and pull it through. At this time, there should be 2 loops on the hook. We continue to yarn over the hook. Bring it out from the 2 loops at the same time. After hooking it out, we can see that a V shape will be formed. This is called a single crochet. What is single crochet increase? Let's use a circular single crochet piece as an example. Each V shape represents a stitch. Single crochet increase means we repeat it twice in each stitch. Hook 2 single crochet. Next, let's start the demonstration. The hook pass through under the V shape. The hook yarn over and brings it out. At this time, there should be 2 loops on the hook. Continue to yarn over. Bring it out from 2 loops at the same time. Next, the hook passes through the same stitch. Continue crocheting single crochet. This is called single crochet increase. We can see 2 V shapes appear in one stitch. What is a half double crochet? When crocheting a half double crochet, first you need to crochet 2 turning chain as a foundation. When crocheting, the yarn over passes under the V shape. Then the yarn over is brought out. There should be 3 loops on the hook. Continue to yarn over. Bring out from the 3 loops at the same time. We can see that a V shape is formed. Demonstrate again. The yarn over passes under the V shape. Then yarn over is brought out. There should be 3 loops on the hook. Continue to yarn over and bring out from the 3 loops at the same time to form a V shape. What is the half double crochet increase? When crocheting a half double crochet increase, you need to first crochet 2 chain stitches. Yarn over, then bring it out. There are 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over again and bring it out from 3 loops at the same time. This is a half double crochet. Half double crochet increase is to repeat the double crochet in the same stitch. Yarn over. Pass it from the same stitch. Yarn over, then bring it out. Yarn over again and pass it from 3 stitches at the same time. This is the half double crochet increase. What is a double crochet? When crocheting a double crochet, you must first crochet 3 chain as a foundation. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over, then passes under the V shape. Then pull the yarn through the stitch. There should be 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over again. Bring the yarn out of the first 2 loops. You can see 2 loops above the hook. Yarn over, then pull yarn out from the 2 loops. This is a double crochet. Demonstrate again. Yarn over. Then pass through the under V shape. Pull the yarn through the stitch. Then the yarn over is brought out. Now there should be 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over again. Bring it out from the first 2 loops. You can see 2 loops above the hook. Then yarn over is brought out from the 2 loops. This is a double crochet. What is the double crochet increase? When crocheting a double crochet increase, you first need to crochet 3 chain. Then yarn over. Pass under the V shape. Yarn over, then bring it out. Now there are 3 loops on the hook. We need to finish all 3 loops in 2 loop. At the first time, yarn over, then bring it out from the first 2 loops. Now there are 2 loops on the hook. Continue to yarn over and bring it out from the remaining 2 loops at the same time. This is the double crochet. A double crochet increase is to repeat a double crochet in the same stitch. Yarn over, pass through the same stitch. Then yarn over, bring it out. Now there are 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over out from the first 2 loops. Yarn over again and bring it out from the remaining 2 loops. This is the double crochet increase. What is single crochet decrease? It means we need to reduce the number of stitches. First, we pass the hook under the first V shape. Yarn over to bring out. At this time, there are 2 loops on the hook. We need to pass the hook under the next V shape. Yarn over, then bring it out. There will be 3 loops on the hook. Continue to yarn over out from the 3 loops at the same time. We have turned 2 stitches into 1 stitch. Let's demonstrate again. First, we pass the hook under the first V shape. Yarn over, then bring it out. The hook continues to pass the next V shape. Yarn over, then bring it out. There are 3 loops on the hook. Continues to yarn over, then pull yarn out from the 3 loops at the same time. In this way, 2 stitches become 1 stitch. This is called single crochet decrease. What is a slip stitch? When we need to connect the crochet piece end to end, we need to use a slip stitch. Let's demonstrate. The loop is on the hook, then passes through our first V. After passing through, yarn over, then bring me out. There are 2 loops on the hook. Bring the second loop out of the first loop. Pull the second loop out from the first loop. This is called a slip stitch. After the slip stitch is completed, a V shape will be formed. But we can't count this V as a stitch, so we need to tighten the yarn. After tightening, it will disappear. What is a chain stitch? Next demonstration. Chain stitch is to bring the yarn normally. Then put the hook on top of the yarn. Press the hook down and then turn it up. Form a loop. Continue to put the hook on top of the yarn. Yarn over again. Bring it out of the loop. After bringing it out, we tighten the loop. The chain stitch is completed. What is a turning chain? When crocheting with a turning chain, the crocheting method is the same as the chain stitch. You also put the hook on top of the yarn. Yarn over and bring it out of the loop. When this stitch appears in different contexts, it is called differently. When you start crocheting, it is called a chain stitch. When you need to crochet a new row or change the yarn color, we call it a turning chain. Single crochet and half double crochet can also be used as starting stitches. So how do we count the number of rounds or rows? We can just count according to our crocheting pattern. For example, we are currently crocheting 3 around. The first circle, the second circle, the third circle. The same goes for the number of rows. During the crocheting process, if we run out of yarn or need to change to another color, or we need to change the thread, let me demonstrate now. Before changing the thread, we need to crochet half of the current stitches. For example, if we are crocheting a single crochet, we only need to pull the yarn out so that there are 2 loops on our crochet hook. Then we take out the thread that needs to be changed. Leave a certain length. Press the thread behind the piece. Yarn over, then pull the yarn out of the 2 loops. At this time, we have successfully changed the yarn. After we have successfully changed the yarn, we have to hide the yarn. The crochet hook passes under the V shape again. We need to put the changed yarn and the tail yarn on the crochet hook. Then crocheting. This is both beautiful and firm.